I'm Hannah from WTI, and if you're like me and you love the fact that you can take your Switch on the go anywhere, then you need to get yourself one of these carrying cases from HPJYJ. It's a nice hard case. It comes with a removable wristlet. It also has 10 spaces for your games to travel with you. The inside is super soft and velvety and really does a great job protecting your Switch. It has spaces for the toggles to sit nicely so they're not getting crushed. They are very, very well protective. There is a nice little feet on the bottom. So this one is my favorite. I love, it's a blue-green gradient kind of ombre. I think it's super pretty. It comes in a bunch of different colors, but this one was my favorite personally. And I think that if you love taking your Switch on the go like I do, then you should get yourself one of these. And that's my point of view.